Welcome to the future of aviation. This is the Ram Stealth Fighter. Behind me is the SR-71 Blackbird. Its unique design and Ram coating made it virtually invisible to radar. To build something this advanced, like the R-44 here, requires an unprecedented level of precision manufacturing.
Maintain the current velocity. The margin for error is less than a micron on this component.
$10 millimeters at coordinate B.
Confirmed. Log that measurement. Reading is 89.00, then 19.00.
Confirmed. Recording now.
As you can see, the fuselage of the B-2 is taking shape. These robotic arms are capable of micron level.
Steady now. Descent rate at 0.05. Ensure all clamps are secured before final alignment.
Wait, stop the line. I think the calibration is off on 17 alpha. We've isolated the anomaly to this specific conduit. The thermal shielding appears compromised. Okay, double check the alignment on these optical racks right here. Check the riveting sequence here before we sign off.
All right, I'll cross-reference the specs now.
Panel alignment looks good on my side.
Same here. Arm 7 alpha, engage sequence.
Confirmed, tolerances are within spec.
The orange wrapping protects the alloy from microfractures during the automated welding process.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Looks good on this side. Settling in now.
Align the yellow bundle with the C-rib.
Confirming alignment.
Looks good, torque it to spec.
Thermal readings are stable at 900 degrees Celsius.
We're ready to align the next section.
Watch the clearance on that pipe run.
Okay, just a fraction lower, please. Running the diagnostic now.
How's the clearance looking on your side?
Did you check the locking mechanism on the harness?
Yeah, it's secured. I just need to torque the forward bolt.
All right, let's get the checklist signed off.
Easy now, coming down slow.
A little to the left, hold it there.
Looks good. Clear on this side.
The engine mount looks secure.
Yes, the tolerances are within spec. We should check the hydraulics next.
Just a little tighter on this side. Copy that. Check the alignment on your end.
The precision application of this material is crucial. It ensures the aircraft remains completely invisible to radar detection once deployed. The firmament for fuselage. The carbon fiber fuselage is both lightweight and incredibly durable. As you can see from the condensation,
UV application complete, inspecting seal.
All right, bring it down 5 degrees. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Okay, easy now. A little to the left. Watch the clearance on that conduit.
Got it. Steady as she goes.
This octagonal sensor here, it's showing inconsistent readings. Can you run the level 2 diagnostic on the connection point?
Circuit test complete. Confirmed pass on all segments. Proceeding to panel closure.
Torque is confirmed. I am seeing a slight anomaly right here on the seam.
Here at General Aeronautics, we utilize advanced robotics to achieve unprecedented precision in the manufacturing of the B-21 Raider's stealth skin.
This fastener here needs adjustment before we close the bay.
I have the tool ready. We have an anomaly on the pressure gauge in Bay 4. I'm initiating the bypass sequence now.
The hydraulics are showing a slight variance on the readout.
Acknowledged. We are beginning the pressure equalization now.
Systems check complete. All green. Ready for departure. All systems nominal. Interface verified. Proceeding to waypoint 3.
This device lets us test the hydraulic systems right here on the line. We're seeing optimal pressure across all actuators, confirming the flight controls are mission ready.
Verification complete. Flight core is nominal.
Okay, applying the coating now.
The primary imaging system is down.
Switching to the D-Igor STHC feed, stand by for stabilization.
The stealth capabilities are unmatched.
Technicians, give me a status update on the ECM.
We have a strong waveform reading, adjusting the modulation now.
We monitor the engine parameters closely. Here, the radar data confirms full stealth capability, and these
Leak test complete. All parameters nominal.
Control, this is done. Hydraulic cycling sequence initiated. Pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Check the MOLUT readings. All green. Confirmed. Systems are fully operational. Good to go.
The pressure readings are stable here.
Cross-reference that with the fuel flow schematic on panel 3.
Looks consistent with the flight profile.
Panel secured. This composite material ensures both stealth and structural integrity.
Here at the Dayton facility, we're utilizing the latest in stealth technology, as you can see with the radar absorbent coating.
Sequence initiated. Green indicator stable.
All right, team, steady tension on 3. Pull now.
Hoist engaging, moving left. Clear below.
And engaging the primary sequence now. Notice the green light for go, the red system check, and the immediate power flow across the board.
Confirming flight parameters. Thermal scan complete.
All right, team, check the seams. Report any anomalies on the 009 panel.
We use this specialized equipment to scan the composite materials. Even the smallest imperfection could compromise the stealth coating.
Safety tag secured on the main gear hydraulics, confirming status green.
Ground control, Raider 1 confirming pre-flight diagnostics are complete. Requesting taxi clearance.